Hi, my name is Rosie Gill and I am the Director of Education at Milk Street, and this is Milk Street at Home. On weeknights in the summer, when time is of the essence to get dinner on the table and it's hot outside, let's face it, it can just be too much to have to get the fire on the grill just right and it's way too hot to turn on the oven. But that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice all those charry, robust, smoky flavors that complement and contrast with sweet summer produce so well. Instead, you can save time, stay cool, and not sacrifice flavor by skillet charring. Heat a cast iron skillet dry, no oil, until it's really hot. You're heating this over high heat for 3 to 5 minutes. If you throw just a drop or two of water in there, it should sort of scatter around the pan and evaporate really quickly. While the pan's heating, you toss 3 to 4 cups of vegetables cut to about the same size. Toss them together and add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. It really doesn't take much. What's important is don't add salt at this stage. You don't want the vegetables to release any of their liquid because you want the pan to stay super hot, and extra liquid will cool the pan down. So once the vegetables are tossed in the olive oil, you throw them into the pan in a single layer. So you may need to cook in batches. And then don't touch them. As you know, anytime you want to develop browning, let your food be. Don't touch it until it's got a nice char. Once you see a char, stir it up. Develop some char on another side, and you're done. From there, dress them while they're warm, any dressing you like. I'll use lemon juice and some herbs today. Now salt them, make sure that they're seasoned correctly, and really, you're done. That's it. No one will know that you didn't turn on the grill, you didn't roast them at 500 degrees, rather you spent 6 minutes charring in a cast iron skillet and you made the most of your summer produce.